Hi and welcome in this new video. I'm Tom and today I'm gonna explain you how to make good money with affiliate marketing. So I'm gonna present you my whole strategy that make me up to 1,000 per day. So you will see it's not that hard, but as everywhere and everything, you need to work for that and you need to have a good strategy. So for the strategy, I'm gonna present you everything that I know and that you could put in action, but for the work, it's just you and you only that have to do it by your own. So before that, please subscribe to the channel and please like the video and tell me if you like this kind of video. Feel free to tell me what you want in the comments. I will make sure to answer to them. Now we're gonna go on my computer. Here we go. We are on the website called cbngi.com, and this website is kind of pretty good because it can tell you what are the best products to market in affiliate marketing. So this website use ClickBank. As you might know, I think it is one of the two best affiliate marketing platform in the US and in the world. I'm not sure if it's the first or the second one, but I know it's pretty huge and pretty big. So what you can do is you go directly on the website and click on CB Top Gravity. So we want to focus on the gravity. Why? Because the gravity is index created by ClickBank and it shows what are the best products. We say that gravity up to 20 is the best. So you can see here you have 651, 361, 200, 200, 200. So it's pretty good. That means that this product is hot and have a high conversion rate, and also that people buy it really super fast. So it's pretty good. So the gravity index is made of the conversion rate of the product offer and of the gain generated by this whole offer. So for example, we're gonna go on Java Burn. So I don't know what is it. I might think that it's something to lose weight, but let's see. So what I suggest all the time before shooting a product is to directly click on the link. So here you have visit website. So we're gonna go, what is this product about? I'm pretty sure it's losing weight because it was in the category of health. So you can see you have just a video with the sound.
Is it really possible for a tiny tweak to your morning coffee routine to...
Yeah, it seems to be something like this, and you can see that you have nothing else. It's just that and that only and nothing else, which is pretty good because that means that people love this video, and after this video something's gonna happen. It's gonna have the link to go to the order page and it's gonna be super fast. So you can see that this product is killing it. So then we can see the average dollar per sale. You can see that it's 100 per sale, 114 per sale, which means that you need only 10 clients a day to make 1,000, which is ridiculously possible online. Of course, if you don't have an audience, we're going to do that with ads, and I'm going to show you later how we do it and how we promote it, but it's pretty good. And so you can see that you have a lot of money with all of this, and the commission is 75%. That's why you need to go all in with that, because it's a good product, it sells, and you have good revenue. Let's say 75%, it means that you can earn way more than the actual vendor of this product. So it's pretty good and pretty powerful, and I suggest you to look at to some other different product. So you have this one, which is the CB Top Gravity. We have the other one that is Flat Belly Tonic, and it's pretty good because it's going to be useful for the next stuff. Then you have Dentitox Unique Dental Drop Offer. So it's still something related to health, and it's pretty good for us because let's say we're going to promote Java Burn. What we're going to do also is that we're going to promote at some point also the Flat Belly Tonic and also Dentitox, because it's the same niche. So why would we stop with one product when, as you can see, we have a lot of product that sells a lot and that make a lot of money? The average dollar per sale is 106, and on this one is 150. So that means every time you sell on those three products, you make more than $100. And as you can see, it's the average sales. Why? because maybe the product is not that high, but then you have overburn, then you have upsell, downsell, and that makes you increase the average cost per sales, which is pretty good for us, because that means we can allow ourselves to invest until $100 to make a sale, which is more than enough. Trust me, if you do it good, it's more than enough. So now, as we have our product, I suggest that you go on a website like system.io. So I did a video to present you how system is pretty good. My strategy is to take some sales, is to create first some leads. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do a Facebook ads or a Google ad or influencer post, and you're gonna promote your lead magnet. For example, here it's my lead magnet. So you can see it's like free ebooks, and it's template for Instagram and Facebook. By the way, if you want to get this one, you have the link in the description. But you're gonna put whatever you want. Maybe you just don't want to give anything, and you can just give, hey, do you want to, and you put one or two good benefits of this product, like you want to improve your metabolism and lose some weight. Click here, give your address, and I will tell you how. And what you're gonna do is, like, after they put the address, you're gonna lead them to another page, and this page is the thank you page. But the thank you page doesn't have to be alone. What I did here, it's like I bring them to another offer, which means that with this video they can either buy it directly. You see here, they click it on this button and they buy directly my product if they want it, of course. And if they don't do that, what you can do is, like, you can send also at the same moment, the exact same moment, you can send them an email with the link and also a kind of description of what they can learn and what they can master with this product. So you have to tell the benefit of the product. And this is so powerful that you can have unlimited clients every day. Why? Because losing weight is almost for everyone, and everyone wants to lose some weight, especially in the US. So it's very important. It's a big niche, and you can make a lot of money with a product that you didn't create at all. And it's pretty good because your only job is to get clients, to send them to the right offer, and just get the check and get the bills. It's pretty good. The first thing to do is to create a landing page. So I'm going to give you my landing page in the description. So you just have to replicate and change, of course, everything you need to do. If you know how to write on a keyboard, you will know how to do it. It's super easy. And if you don't, you have my video where I explain how to use this tool, but it's pretty good because you can put some text. You can put here, you see, I just press some text, and it's super easy. And then what you do, it's like you do some ads to send the people on this one. And what I suggest, and will give you some result, is to do retargeting. What is retargeting? Is like everybody that already saw your ads, or that click on the link, or that put the address but didn't purchase. So it's pretty hard with affiliate marketing because you don't have the clients database, but you can tell if they purchase or not. And what you can do with that is that retarget them with another ad. I really suggest you to do specific ads. For example, if you are aiming for the guys, say something specific to the guys. If you're aiming for the girl, say something specific to the girl. Same with the cities, same with the countries. It's super important, and it will make a big difference on your conversion. It's over the time when you can do one ad for all your audiences. You have to personalize, and it will make such a big difference. What is good also with that is that by doing this strategy, an ad, landing page, and retargeting, it can help you to create an ecosystem that will be clearly automating. You just have to send ads and wait, because your mailing list is going to grow up super fast. And what is good, and that's why I told you I don't want to send directly to the link, it's because while you're making money with the affiliate product that you're promoting, you're at the same time making money because you're harvesting some emails. And what is good with that is what I told you at the beginning, is the email. You can use them at some point to promote another product. Let's say that all your clients saw your offer about Java Burn. They're like, okay, they don't want it. Maybe they will want more, the Okinawa flat belly tonic, and maybe you make better result, same result, or a little bit less, but still you will make money because people trust you and people gave you the address. Use it, use those addresses and make money with it. And you can see that with CB Engine you can have a lot of product that you can use, and you can really try to see what can make you a lot of money. So this is my quick strategy. So you can see, you find a good offer, focus on the gravity on CB Engine, find a good offer, check what it is. If you can buy it, to check if the product is good or not, it's better, because if you promote a bad product you will have a lot of refund demands, and you don't want that, because you want, once you make the sale, have the sale and keep the sale. All right, so most of the time when you have such a high gravity, it's good, but be careful and really check all the time. Then what you can do is also focus on products that have a recurring revenue. It's the best because you make the sale once and every month you have money coming in. It's like a salary, it's perfect. And then when you have a good product, what you can do is create the landing page, send traffic via sponsoring post, YouTube ads, Google ads, whatever you want, and send them traffic over there. And then you just send also retargeting ads, and then you have an automating business that send them directly to this specific offer. So if you're interested, please feel free to look at the link in the description, and if you want me to go further, please let me know and I will do my best. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't done yet, please subscribe to the channel. That helped me a lot to show what can I bring to this world in the US. For your record, if you don't know, in France I have over 85,000 followers, and also I help more than 12,000 people to grow these businesses. If you want to be part of those 12,000, please trust me, subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. Thank you so much, have a good day and take action.